How to update Microsoft Store apps in Windows 10. This tutorial shows you how to manually check for and install updates for all your Store apps at once. First, click on the Start menu and click on Microsoft Store. After that, click on Library from the bottom left corner. Let me show you. From there, click on Get Updates near the top of the page. At this point, wait a moment while the store checks for available updates across every installed app. In the next step, any apps with updates will begin downloading and installing automatically. Following this, click on the app icon showing a cloud symbol if you'd rather update just one specific app instead. Once done, click on Update next to that individual app. From here, click on your profile icon near the top of the store window if you want to check automatic update settings. At this stage, click on Settings, then turn on the toggle next to App Updates to let future updates install automatically. Keep in mind, if Get Updates doesn't appear or updates seem stuck, try clicking on See More, then Downloads and Updates instead. Finally, come back to the library page anytime you want to manually check for new app updates. And that's it. If this guide helped you update Microsoft Store apps in Windows 10, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.